Now I am reviewing OnePlus AC2V. The display of the smartphone is 6.74-inch AMOLED. The display color of the smartphone 1 billion color and the refresh rate 120 Hz HDR10+. 89.5% screen to body ratio of the display of the smartphone. Now I am telling about the resolution of the display of the smartphone 1240 by 2772 pixel. The PPI density of the display of the smartphone 451. Now I am telling about the operating system of the smartphone Android 13 Color OS 13. The chipset of the smartphone Mediatek Dimensity 9004 nm. The CPU of the smartphone octa-core and the GPU Mali G710 MC10. Now I am telling about the memory of the smartphone. Card slot is not available. The internal memory are available of different type and the RAM is also available of different type of the smartphone. The main camera are triple camera. The feature of the main camera of the smartphone LED flash HDR in panorama. Now I am telling about the video of the main camera of the smartphone 4K into 30 and 60 fps, 1080p into 30 and 60 120 fps video EIS. The selfie camera of the smartphone is a single camera. The feature of the selfie camera of the smartphone HDR. Now I am telling about the video of the selfie camera of the smartphone 1080p into 30 fps. The sound of the smartphone low speaker is available with the stereo speaker and the 3.5mm jack is not available of the smartphone. The connectivity of the smartphone Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band. The Bluetooth of the smartphone 5.3A2DP. NFC is available and infra port is also available of the smartphone, but the FM radio is not available of the smartphone. The charging port of the smartphone USB Type-C 2.0. The battery of the smartphone 5000 non-removable battery. The charging wire of the battery of the smartphone 80W wide. The 5G technology are available of the smartphone. The dual SIM slot is available of the smartphone. The line date was announced of the smartphone 7 March 2023. There are a different price are available of the smartphone. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablet, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablet, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.